After being signed to MC Hammer's record label and releasing an album that did not catapult me to fame and fortune, I went back to college and became a teacher. My first job was as a high school English teacher in Memphis, Tennessee, and talk about trial by fire. But it wasn't until 2016 that I realized that all the other gifts I share, the poetry performance and the readings, the lectures, talks, and presentations, the curriculum writing, the article writing, and now the retreat hosting and Airbnb experience leading should have a home. Feminine Pronoun Consultants is that home. Welcome. Here are some ways you can plug in, collaborate, and benefit. I sit relaxing tonight on my couch just 2 days before I leave for about a 2-month trip to Tanzania. And I'll be keeping you updated on what's going on with that. But today I wanted to share just a bit with you about another significant project that I have, which is a collaboration with the incredible artist and master organic gardener, Dale Chambers. So today we'll be looking at just a bit of how Dale works her magic. We know that nowadays sustainability and the healthful properties of fresh organic produce are top of mind. So join me in seeing how I collaborate with this artist and her growing hands, her not just her green thumbs, her green index finger, middle finger, ring finger, and pinky finger, her green hands. Oh, and I'm Dr. Treasure Shields Redmond. Let's check it out. First off, Fannie Lou Hamer House is an artist retreat that Dale and I operate, and we have it on Airbnb so that artists can use it for free. Here we are together on our logo for our incredible offering to fellow artists. But let's get back to Dale. Dale is a certified organic gardener, and she has 2 spaces where she is raising chickens who, as you know, graze and fertilize space on their own. She has the organic eggs for sale, and she's also offering mid-level chickens as well. Dale has her own garden at her home, and then nearby her home in an area of North St. Louis called The Ville, she has a small urban orchard. She's growing berries and fruits, as well as root vegetables, leafy green vegetables. There she is with her rainwater catcher, and I'm there visiting the space. And I got to help and see some of her process as she creates these awesome experiences for the neighborhood and surrounding area. When I get back from Africa, we're going to offer a late in season growing tutorial live outside, in that fresh air so that we can commune and share some of Dale's expertise with other artists and just lay people who are interested in growing. I can't wait for you to join us.